that in an hour, which is
sample filament.
More than 50,000 professionals chose Formlabs 3D printers to develop many of the great products you use every day. Now they can push their work even further, introducing the Form 3 and the Form 3L. We've redesigned the print engine to make a leap forward in reliability and print quality, using linear illumination and a flexible tank to turn liquid resin into flawless prints. We call this low-force stereolithography, an advanced form of stereolithography that balances high detail and high speed. Use your time more efficiently with a printer you can trust to deliver results. Easily add printers to keep up with demand, and take advantage of an ever-expanding range of functional materials for rigorous testing and production. Collaborate across teams and locations as your business grows by starting prints remotely and moving through a shared print queue. Low-force stereolithography was developed to scale. Now, easily print large, detailed parts in-house with the Form 3L. Whatever you're designing, wherever you're starting from, Formlabs tools help anyone make anything.
I'm Bree Pettis of MakerBot, and I've got huge news. We've unleashed the MakerBot Replicator Z18 3D printer. It's massive, it's powerful. It'll change the way you think about 3D printing. The MakerBot Replicator Z18 has a massive build volume of 12 by 12 by 18 inches tall. It brings industrial strength manufacturing power into your office right on your desktop. What used to cost hundreds of thousands of dollars is now affordable with the best price to performance ratio in its category. For the engineers, for the designers, for those who dream big, we made the MakerBot Replicator Z18 for you. You now have the power to make huge models and prototypes with the MakerBot Replicator Z18's enclosed and heated build chamber. The MakerBot Replicator Z18 has all the great MakerBot 5th generation technology. The MakerBot Smart Extruder will keep you on track, and when you run out of filament, it has filament detection, so it'll send you a message, feed me. It's got an onboard camera so you can monitor your prints and take great pictures and distribute them across your social networks. This is powerful MakerBot 5th generation technology. We've supersized the build volume of the MakerBot Replicator Z18 so that you can supercharge your digital production workflow. It's never been easier to get more done, to iterate more, to innovate faster, harder, better, and stronger. We can't wait to see what you make.
Hi there, Ben Malouf here to introduce the ulzbot Mini 2 3D printer. Our engineering teams have been hard at work here in Colorado, and I'm excited to go over all the upgrades that make the ulzbot Mini 2 our best printing easiest to use, and most reliable 3D printer ever. Now, if you're already a fan of the ulzbot Mini, you'll be happy to know that everything you love is still here. Legendary ulzbot versatility, reliability, and ease of use, the rugged powder-coated aluminum frame, and of course the carry handle. But while it may look very similar on first glance, there's a ton of new innovation to talk about here, so let's get into the features. The first obvious feature change is the LCD screen. This means the ulzbot Mini 2 is tetherless out of the box with no need to be connected to a computer to operate the machine. Just put your G-code onto the included SD card, pop it in the printer, and select your file from the LCD menu. Next up, let's talk about the re-engineered and innovative belt drive Z-axis. The benefits? First of all, speed, which really makes a difference when starting a new print or making manual axis adjustments. But the big benefit of the belt drive is in print quality. No lead screws, no potential for Z-banding. The next two obvious changes are the tool head and the print bed. The Mini 2's Aero Extruder V2 tool head is powered by a genuine E3D Titan Aero extruder and hot end, and features a powerful part cooling fan with 4-way ducting. This gives you acclaimed E3D hot end quality and extrusion accuracy, and allows you to print both rigid materials and flexibles up to 290 degrees Celsius. The heated bed is capable to 120 degrees Celsius and features a reversible borosilicate glass and PEI print surface, which simplifies maintenance and makes it easy to experiment with different substrates. Another thing you may have noticed is the noise, or lack thereof. Thanks to the Trinamic TMC 2130 stepper drivers on the INC Retro control board, the Mini 2's motors run much quieter than on any printer we've ever built before, which makes it a great addition to classrooms, libraries, and offices. Like all ulzbot 3D printers, the Mini 2 is built here in Loveland, Colorado, and comes with a 1-year warranty and our renowned technical support. Extended warranties are also available. Just ask a ulzbot sales associate for details. We're extremely proud of the ulzbot Mini 2, and we know it'll make a valuable addition to your shop, office, or classroom. If you want more great ulzbot content, please make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.
Introducing the latest addition to our S line of 3D printers. This is the new Ultimaker S3, a dual extrusion machine that delivers massive performance in an efficiently small footprint. Its reinforced feeder empowers you to create parts and models effortlessly with almost any filament, including glass and carbon fiber composites. Advanced active leveling, a stiffer build plate, and precision drivers ensure high-quality results with every print. And our award-winning touchscreen interface makes setup, navigation, and maintenance quick and easy. These all work together seamlessly to achieve the reliability and accuracy you need from a desktop 3D printer. Powerful and easy to use, the Ultimaker S3 is the most cost-effective way for disruptive businesses to adopt in-house 3D printing.